my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are gonna take you through all 6 of them tonight.
They used to stop.
Oh
Gosh.
That's a sweet mask.
That's one of the doctor's experiments, probably.
Big sledgehammer.
The best one?
Oh, it's Angry Tree.
What is that? What's happening? Which patient are you? Unknown? Okay, nice to meet you.
He's got a big question mark on him.
Okay, all right.
The greenhouse. I might like
does
what's
have a
in
big
here. Whoa!
Whoa. That is very glowing.
Need the blood for the doctor. Oh, we can't keep it up going.
Oh, God, okay.
Oh.
Lured into the asylum, the Oakley Asylum.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa! Hi.
oh my God!
He's locked up. Oh
Oh, category.
my god! The walls are really padded. That's great.
I think you're supposed to be back there. I think you're supposed to be in that room.
Bang your head on the wall a couple more times.
Oh, the doctor's gonna
Don't.
live. He's gonna
Why are
tear
you
you
so
apart.
excited?
He's gonna just 2 seconds.
What was that?
He's excited.
That must be what the medicine
Oh my
does.
gosh.
Oh, whoa. That is
Oh,
awesome.
the wavy floor.
Oh, that's awesome.
Spongy floor.
Oh my God!
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
I like
What are you
that.
doing, my
Oh my
friend?
gosh, he's
Well,
back.
Look at like up there, guys.
You didn't kill us
He
and
is
put us in
a
the
real
cemetery.
yeller.
Oh, I think something
Uh-oh, the
happened
ambulance
here.
got flipped. Whoa, sparks are flying. It is electric here.
I can still taste you. What are you doing?
I think you have Okay, where is he? Dr. Psycho!
Don't you know where you're at?
No.
You're gonna die in here.
Oh, patient's
My
room.
God.
We're trying to get away
the
from
doctor.
this crazy.
Ah,
Where's the doctor?
Smell fear. I smell fear. I smell fear. Is it you?
I think that's just rotting
Not
meat.
me.
Oh,
Might smell something, but it's not fear.
Uh-oh.
Wow, a lot of guts.
Yeah.
I'll bathe in your blood.
Are you
I
the
don't have enough for
doctor?
that.
I am simply a technician.
Oh.
The good
Oh, God.
surgeon awaits.
The surgeon.
Oh,
He'll feel your flesh.
I like that chair.
We'll see about that.
That was a good drop handle there.
Mannequin. Okay.
Oh,
Jesus.
Doctor,
Yes.
you're ready for it?
Sure.
I think he has a UTI. Go, Sarah.
Yeah.
Maybe you understand.
Pet anyone?
A board game?
Yeah, can we play Operation?
We've been waiting an eternity.
Good one.
Whoa, what do we got here?
Beautiful faces and very
Oh, look at the tarot cards.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Would you like to play my game?
Yeah, let's play.
That kind of board game.
Not that board game. We gotta go this way.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Doctor's not very nice.
Oh.
Don't keep him waiting.
I can see what you're thinking there.
See the little girl on the wall? She disappears. Did you see it? In front of
Slow
you?
down.
Watch. See her? And then when it turns red, she's gone.
That's cool.
It's
That's
harder
cool.
to see when it's red. It's really
Whoa!
No.
Wow, the fire is a cool touch. I don't remember
I
that.
gotta.
Good. I've been waiting for my prescription.
It's not gonna burn.
I need my money.
You should have been chopping from where?
I want some of your injections. Uh-oh.
I'll have what he's having.
I think we found the doctor.
That's how you do it. It looks like it's working.